Hello and welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to learn some important features in CapCut. Today we are going to learn how to use masking to create cool video effects. Masking is really easy. I will teach you some basic masking so that you can use it in your videos and give your videos a really good effect. So let's get started. Firstly, I will import some videos. I have imported some random videos. You can use yours or any of its kind, and I will drag one of it to the timeline. It is a slow wavy video. Now I will tell you how the basic masking is done. Firstly, I will scale it so it will give a really clean look. Now in this section, select the clip you want to edit and select on mask. Now you will get many options for masking. I am choosing this horizontal one. As you choose, you will get this line. You can change its positions from here and you can adjust it like this, and you have to set this line. I will show you. I want to do like this. Now I am doing this and I will mask this position. Now I have choose the angle. Now I have done like this. Now after some keyframes, I am increasing it. Like this. Like this. Now I will choose this video and will drag upward. Make sure the length of two videos should be equal, and you can drag it from here and make it equal. And it will look like this. Now you will get the feature of feather here. After choosing our first video, we will get the option of feather. Feathering refers to how it will get blend into each other. I am choosing like this. And now I will play the video. See how beautifully it get blends, and two video will show a transformation. You can choose the feather option as you like, and it will give a really good effect to your video. See, like this, a complete blend. And you can create such videos for your any social media accounts, or you can use it in any video editing, and look how beautiful it looks. I will teach you some basic but very important CapCut features. So please do subscribe and hit the like button and comment down if you really like it. Stay tuned for many such amazing content. Thank you.